Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Today, I made this comforting breakfast that everyone enjoys. It's so easy to put together and cook real quick. So to make all of that, I'll be using the ingredients as seen: cabbage, carrots, and bread. Go ahead and prep all you'll be needing just as you see me do so. What I like about this breakfast is that you can use any vegetable of choice and what you have available. You can even use any other protein adding to this. It doesn't take so much of your time and so easy to put together. Thank you for stopping by, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. I shredded my carrots because I really want it to be as thin as possible. Okay, so you can cut or dice your carrots in any shape that is very easy for you to do. I went ahead to peel my egg and shredded it. Tried to shred it with this shredder. It was not really nice for me. I also went ahead to use my fair pieces it. The aim is to pieces it into tiny forms. Remember, we are using just bread, and the rolls won't be too large to accommodate when the eggs or the carrots are too large. So please don't forget to take note of that. So the next thing to do is to mix all of this together. Add chili pepper or any available pepper, and then add my cream. Here I use shawarma sauce, which is also a cream. You can use mayonnaise if you have, or you can use salad cream. Any of this is nice. Mix all of that together until it is well combined, just as you can see me do so. Making this to be well combined will help your meal to be more tasty. Next thing is to get the quantity of bread you'll be using. Here we'll be using sliced bread. Please take note that you don't need unsliced bread for this. Go ahead and remove the edges. This will make it easier for you to roll out, okay? If you're using bread makes it easier, at least we don't have any flour and sugar to need, so it's easy to put together. You see that part of bread that you cut out, you can as well add it up to your mixture just like this. Then go ahead and roll out the bread. Make it as flat as possible and as thin as possible. Next thing is to go ahead and add in all of this as a filler. Before that, I mixed a little of flour with water. Make it very thick as you can see. Then I'll be applying this at the edges of this bread just like this as well. So guys, if you do this, it will help your bread roll not to scatter while prepping it. Guys, this is quite easy to put together. Add up the filler to the quantity you want carefully, and then quietly roll it out, or roll it up rather. Roll it up and then place into your frying pan. Heat up your pan or your pot, whichever you may be using, and then go ahead and transfer all of that you've rolled into your pot. On a very low heat, I allow this to fry or steam for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I flip the side. It's not actually too hot, but you can use a picker if you prefer that. Guys, just like that, our bread roll is ready. What will you be serving this? Let me ask. As for me and my household, we had ours with nice beverage, and it's so yummy. Let me know if you'll be trying this method in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and know that I love you from this end. Until next time, eat healthy and take care of yourself. Bye.